Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Interactive Broker Scanner. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting the advanced market scanner up and running inside Trader Workstation and using the built-in prompts to create a quick sample scan. The goal is clarity and confidence, so I'll explain what you're seeing and why it matters as we go. Begin by opening Trader Workstation on your computer. Give it a moment to fully initialize. You'll know it's ready when the main workspace loads and the menu bar and toolbar are visible. Familiarity with the layout helps. The top area hosts your main controls, and the left side often contains shortcuts, but everything we need is accessible from the standard menu at the top left. Next, click New Window at the top left. This opens the Launcher panel, which organizes tools by purpose. Think of it as your starting hub for charts, orders, analytics, and scanners. If you don't immediately see what you need, the categories make it easy to drill down without hunting across the workspace. Move your mouse over the Scanners category. Don't click yet. Just hover. A submenu expands to reveal the available scanner types. This preview is useful because you can confirm you're heading to the right tool before opening anything. You'll typically see options for market and option scanners, with the advanced choice giving you deeper control. Now click Advanced Market Scanner. The scanner window opens with a clean layout, a section to define what you want to scan, a place to add conditions and thresholds, and an area where results will appear. This tool is designed to be flexible, letting you choose an instrument universe, apply filters like price, volume, or percent change, and decide how to sort the findings. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure for a sample demo. The interface will guide you in sequence. You'll typically select the instrument type and region, decide whether to start from a preset or a blank template, and then add filter rows with conditions and values. As you set criteria, focus on clarity. Minimums and maximums should reflect the kind of names you want to see. Sorting by something like volume or percent change helps surface the most active ideas at the top. When you run the scan, results populate in the table below. If the list is too broad or too narrow, adjust the thresholds right in the filter area and rerun. For a straightforward demo, keep the criteria light. Basic price and volume with a modest percent change is enough to illustrate how the scanner responds. That's all there is to it. Open Trader Workstation, go to New Window, hover over Scanners, choose Advanced Market Scanner, and follow the on-screen procedure to complete a sample scan.